Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. And today we will do Unit 6 poem, Mr. Nobody. So, children, this is very interesting poem and it is about you people. So, what happens at home sometimes? You go in kitchen, you want to get some biscuits, you climb up the shelves and you drop the plates or maybe you drop the glasses and they broke. Your mother comes rushing. She says, "Who has done this?" And you say, "I don't know." So you simply say, "I don't know." So that means some ghost has come or somebody has come, has done it, and you have not done it. So your mother thinks, okay, it is Mr. Nobody who has done it. So this Mr. Nobody is there in everybody's house and they do the mischief. So you can understand who is this Mr. Nobody, right? So you can see this girl and boy, and yet their faces are not visible. They are the Mr. Nobody. They are the mischief makers. They are the naughty people who do the naughty things in the house. So let's read this poem. So, I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse. So, there is some funny person and he works very quietly like a mouse. Who does the mischief? So, in the house there's so many mischief. Sometime baby spill over something, or you do some drawing painting on everywhere on the wall. So these kind of mischief. Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house? So there are kind of naughty things which happen in everybody's house, and these are done by Mr. Nobody, this funny little man. There's no one ever sees his face. Nobody has seen his face. And yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So, although nobody has seen his face and nobody knows him, but whenever there is some mischief or some plate cracks, everybody agrees, everybody believes that it was done by Mr. Nobody. So, you know all that. You know all who is Mr. Nobody. So, now we'll see the new words from the poem. So I hope you liked the poem very much because it was all about you people, right? So the first word is quiet. That is making no sound or noise. So this word you all know because your teacher many times say na, keep quiet, right? So making no sound or noise. So sentences, the library is usually a quiet place. Next is he was a quiet baby. Next word is mischief. Okay, mischief. Again, you all know these are the naughty behavior or bad behavior that is often playful but can be annoying to others. So, generally, children do this kind of behavior in playful manner but can be a little bit problem for others. So, what can be the sentence? Her eyes twinkled with mischief. So sometimes the mischief is in the eyes. You want to do something. So her eyes twinkled with mischief. Next sentence is a little mischief is to be expected from growing children. So like growing children like you are not perfect in their handling things. So they can be a little mischievous. So word is everybody. So here we saw these words nobody, everybody, and words like somebody, like anybody. So we'll discuss these words in detail in class. For now you can see everybody means every person or everyone. So each of the person, it will be known as everybody. So like I say, I love to make everybody happy. So whenever I meet someone, I want to make them happy. His name was Henry, but everybody called him Harry. So this is also a sentence. Next word is agree. Agree means to have the same opinion or feel the same way. So when your friends tell you some idea and you also say yes, I agree. That means I also believe in the same way. I also feel in the same way. So that is agree. The sentence is, I agree with my friends about most things. So, I am mostly agreeing with my friends. He nodded to show that he agreed with me. Right? So, this action which you can see, this little deer is making is nodding and saying he agrees. Okay, so children, we'll write these new words in the class only, and the sentences and all in your notebook, and you can do at home also. I'll share the video. Thank you, children. Thank you for your time. Okay, bye.